We are here with the after school crew again, and today we're practicing line plots, specifically using conversions to make line plots. Hold that thought.
Okay.
So, here's what we're going to do today. We're going to create a line plot showing the length in centimeters of each student's Lego castle height. Now, here's the thing though. In the problem, it tells us to find it in centimeters. What unit does it give us the measurements in?
Meters.
Meters, right? It gives it to us in meters. So what do we have to do?
We have to make it bigger. Ooh.
Well, we have to make them centimeters, right?
Yeah.
We have to convert these. So let's think about one of our last lessons. Our dear King Henry, right? King Henry died drinking chocolate milk.
That's not true.
Remember, King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. We're starting right here. We're starting right at,
I just said all of it.
stop. We're starting right at meters, right? Right here. And we want to go to centimeters. So which way is our decimal point going to move? Is it going to move to the right or is it going to move to the left?
Right. Multiplication. If it's multiplication, it's to the right.
Well, look, this is where we're starting, and we want to end up here. So we're going to be moving to the right.
Right.
Now, we want to see how many places we need to move to the right. So if this is where we're starting, how many places do we have to go? Two. Let's stop yelling out, okay? 2 places to the right. So we're going to take our amounts, and remember, when we're moving 2 places to the right, what are we really multiplying by? Chris?
2.
Not multiplying by 2.
1.
Remember, we're multiplying by powers of 10.
Oh yeah.
10 to the 1 would be 1 place to the right. That would be multiplied by
10
10.
to the 2.
Which equals what?
Which equals 100.
Yeah, so we're multiplying by 100 for each of these. Moving the decimal point 2 places to the right and multiplying by
Oh, my
100.
name is on there.
Alright, Abby, I want you to come up first.
Huh?
And what I want you to do is next to your name, right here, you're going to convert 5.5 meters to centimeters for us by moving your decimal point 2 places to the right.
What is your YouTube called?
2 places to the right.
Oh, okay, I'll write that down.
2 places to the right.
Can they hear us? Yeah. So I'm gonna be on this.
Now what are you going to fill in there? A 0. Good. So Abby is 550. So go ahead, Abby, and right next to this, write 550 centimeters.
Can I go next?
Stop. Good. Now, Chris, come on up and write your amount in centimeters.
Okay, because it's the other way. So,
Remember, your hand can't touch. So your decimal's going to move how many places? To the good. So yours is going to be 250, right?
Yeah.
All right. So go ahead and rewrite 250.
Oh.
Here, I'm going to just leave it like that. That's fine. We know that it's going to be centimeters. All right, Samantha, come on up and do yours for us. So what is yours going to be? Yep. So you can do it right on there. Now 4.0, oh, you just did that. You moved it 2 places over, so what new number did you create? There you go. Perfect. All right, Kaylee, come on up. Do yours for us.
Chris.
Yep. Remember your hand can't touch. So, Kaylee, you're starting with 5.5. And your decimal's going to move which way?
Right.
How many places? Remember we said how many?
Twice.
Yep. Well, that would be one place. That'd be like we went like this, but we want to move it 2 places. So what do you need to fill in there?
Not another 5.
Nope. What did everybody else fill in with?
0.
There you go. Perfect. And you're good. All right, Lucinda, come on up and do yours. Good. Excellent. All right, KV, come to yours. Just because she's telling us they're all going to be centimeters. Perfect. All right, and last but not least, Miss Mora, come on up. So your Lego castle was 4 meters high, so how many centimeters is that? You're going to take your decimal point and move it how many places? How many places? 2. So go ahead and move it 2 places. Your decimal's right here. To the right. To the right. That's left. That's okay. Try again. There you go. That's 1 place. Move 1 more place. Starting in. Yep. And so what are you going to fill in? Perfect. So it is how many centimeters tall? Yep. So right, 400. Excellent. So that's the first part of this, but it asked us to make a line plot. So you can see right here, I have a number line, 200, 300, 400, 500, and 600 with our castle height. So Abby, if we were going to plot your point, you're at 550 centimeters. There's no 550 on here. Where is it going to go?
In the middle of 500 and 600.
Perfect. So it's going to go right about here. Chris, where is yours going to go? Oh, Chris went to that one. We'll come right back to him. Samantha, where's yours going to go?
Above the 400.
Perfect. Kaylee, where is yours going to go?
Above Abby's.
Yeah, good. Halfway between 500 and 600. Lucinda, where's yours going to go?
In between 400 and 500.
Excellent. KV, where does yours go?
I think in the middle, 200, 300.
Yes, excellent. Maura, where is yours going to go?
Above the X on 100.
Excellent. And Chris, where's your X going to go?
Mine is gonna go right where KV's is.
So right, halfway between 200 and 300.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, and that's all there is to making a line plot. You're going to look at your points and then just plot them on the graph. But you have to be paying really close attention because this one told us to plot in centimeters, but it gave us meters. So you might have an instance where it gives you feet and asks you to then plot it in yards. Or it gives you inches and asks you to plot it in feet. So you want to make sure you're really paying attention to what it's asking you. What I'm going to have you guys do now is work on a worksheet on line plots. And it looks like this. And then we're going to go over it together.
On the video?
Alright, so this practice is about using a set of data to make a line plot. If you're watching this video at home, go ahead and pause it and complete this before you watch the answer. Alright, so let's look at our data. So it shows us all these different amounts, and we're going to plot them. So 1/4, I'm going to find 1/4, and that's right here. I'm going to go ahead and make an X right there. And then I'm just going to put a check mark next to it so that I know I did it. 1/2, I'm going to put an X right there and check it off. I've got another 1/2, so where does that X go?
On top.
More above it, good. It's like you're stacking them. Then we have 3/4, so I'm looking for 3/4, and there it is. Then I have 1. I have another 1, so that's going to go right on top. Another 1/2. Another 3/4. Another 1/4. And another 1/2. Okay, so that's our completed line plot. That's pretty simple, right?
Yep.
Alright, so if you're watching this video at home, make sure you check your answer. And here is the second one. And this actually asks us some questions afterwards. So if you're watching at home, go ahead and pause and solve the problem. But for those of us that are here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly graph my data, and I'm going to pause the video while I do that. Alright, so you can see that I have made our line plot. So now we're going to answer some questions about it. The first question, how many vases have less than 3/4 of a cup of water? Abby?
5.
5, and how do you know that?
Because there's 3 here, and then up there there's 2.
So we're going less than 3/4. So we have 1, 2, 3,
Oh, I thought
4,
you said 3/4.
5, right? Less than 3/4. So I'm going to cover up everything that is more than 3/4, and then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we have 5 vases have less than 3/4 cup of water. How many vases have at least 1/2 cup of water? Kaylee?
12 vases.
Because we're going to cover up everything that's not 1/2. Now this time it said have at least, so that includes 1/2. So if we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 vases have at least 1/2 cup of water. So sometimes you might be asked to create a line plot and then answer questions about it. Sometimes you might be asked to convert and then create a line plot. Either way, you need to know how to do this. So hopefully this video helped. My after school crew is going to say bye now.
Bye.